Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I did visit the at home store in my local area recently, and I did expect to see Christmas stuff out, and I wasn't disappointed. However, last year I had a guy that lives in our neighborhood. He has like a transport company where he'll come and pick things up from your house and take it to Goodwill or take it to wherever it needs to go. And I had him come and I piled his trailer full of Christmas decor, Thanksgiving, everything, every holiday. I just had way too much. And every year getting it down, getting it out, putting it back up and storing it, it was just taking up too much room. And honestly, it didn't make me happy to have to dig all of it out every year and try to like put it out and then take it all down. I don't know. Maybe I'm turning into a bah humbug. I hope not. But yeah, it was too much. So I like it much better when there are just select pieces out and you're celebrating the holidays and not so much focused on covering every inch of my house with something related to the holiday. So, yeah, I won't be buying anything this year for the holidays, but they did have some really nice stuff. They always do. At home, to me, just always has such a great variety. Normally, my at home store around this time would have 4 or 5 aisles filled with Christmas decor. They would have one aisle with the traditional red and green. They would have, another aisle with the white and silver, white and gold options. And then they'd have another aisle that had more of the pastel Christmas. This year they only had a little over 2 aisles, like 2.5 aisles. And maybe they're going to add more later, or maybe they're scaling back this year, but I don't know. They just definitely didn't have as much out as they normally do this time of year. So I don't know. We'll have to see if that's just a sign of the things. Maybe people aren't purchasing as much, or maybe they're thinking people aren't going to be purchasing as much and holding on to what they have. I know when I've been visiting thrift stores and talking to people, I'm definitely hearing that people are not donating as much. They're holding on to what they have just because, the economy's a little tight. Every cost of everything has gone up. So there's not as much extra income for them to splurge on new stuff like they might normally do. So I know myself, I'm definitely not purchasing as much, but mine started before the price of things started going up. I just was sick and tired of having so much stuff to clean around, to clean out, clean out a cabinet. You have to take a bunch of stuff out. Was I using it? So I gave away, I don't even know how much stuff this past year, especially was a big one. I just gave away so much stuff. But I am trying to start using less plastic. Well, I've been doing that for a while, but I've really cranked it up. So I have like 2 plastic bowls in my entire house. I have glass bowls that are reusable. Um, so yeah, I did when I went to at home. I was looking for stuff for cast iron accessories for the cookware I just recently got. But I did look around at everything. The baskets to me are always great. Baskets are great. The if you need anything for your kitchen, they have it. If you need anything to grill out, I don't know, the furniture, they do have some really nice furniture, but I don't know the quality is 100% there. Like I did buy a really nice wood, it's like acacia wood table, and I still have it, and I would probably keep it for, I don't know, for as long as possible because it's a great quality table. They had really cute little bean bags. These would make the best Christmas gifts. You'll see them in the video. They had like a little pocket on the side. They had different colors, and the price wasn't bad, and they were so cute. They had some really cute wooden pieces that would be great for Christmas gifts. Like, it was like a wood tray, and it had like built-in slots for like the bowls that went in it. They had some really good stuff. So if you definitely need stuff, they definitely have pretty much everything on the world you could think of except clothing. Um, what else did I see? I did see some really nice, like the wood stuff was really nice. I saw really great, like if you grill out, they had great grilling accessories. I recently bought the cast iron and I want to try to use it, but of course, despite reading and watching a ton of videos, I washed it with soap and water, which I did watch a video and read a bunch, and people said like when you first get it from the factory, if you want to use soap and water on it, just know you're probably going to remove the factory seasoning, but it's okay to do that because you can just re-season it, and I needed to learn how to do that anyway. So I did do that, and I went upstairs and came back down, and the entire thing was rusted. I mean, like a couple hours time, it was like completely rusted. I couldn't believe it. It was shocking, and I learned my lesson the hard way, which is pretty much how I always learn my lessons. Anyway, so I washed it again, used my stainless steel scrubber on it, got it completely rust free, and then I dried it completely with a towel. I took it seriously the second time. Like I knew I had to do that, but for some reason I was thinking like it's not going to rust like if you just put it out, but that's not true. It rusted right away. Anyway, so I reseasoned it, put it in the oven, and I actually had fun doing that. It was really interesting to watch that whole process of like how it got like kind of shiny. So of course I haven't used it yet because I don't know. I got to get over my like, oh gosh, cast iron, be careful with it. Don't do this, don't do that. I don't know. So I've got to do that. But yeah, that's what I went for to get some accessories for my cast iron. I went to get the little Lodge scraper. I went to get the little handle, silicone handle covers so you don't burn your fingers. I know you can use pot holders and stuff like that, but I thought those little, I think they're silicone, little things you can put over them. I also look at I love their kitchen towels because their kitchen towels aren't like the type of towel that you have in your bathroom, that like cottony towel. They're more like the thinner cotton towel. I really love those. They always have a great selection. They did have some furniture that was pretty nice. You can see a lot of the blow up Christmas stuff in the background as I walk around. That stuff's hilarious. Like if I had kids, younger kids, I have kids, but they're older. But if I had younger kids, I'd probably put that stuff in my yard because it's really cute. Anyway, but I hope you enjoyed this video and just walking around. There's so many great things. Like I thought when I was walking through here that I wouldn't be tempted really because I got rid of so much stuff this past year. But I tell you, every time you go, like they have such good stuff and the quality's really decent. So it was tempting, but I didn't get anything because then it's just another thing I have to put somewhere. And I've got rid of so much stuff and I love having that extra, like just the breathing room in your house. So I don't know. Anyway, but if you need Christmas gifts, I would definitely go to At Home. And they also let you order online and pick it up. And you can just drive up and pick it up, or you can order online and have it shipped. And I'm pretty sure the last time I looked to have something shipped, it was like $10 for shipping. Wasn't terrible, but if you get enough, it's worth it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm not sure what it's going to be because there's so many great places to go, but I did want to share with you what I found at the At Home in case you were interested in looking for Christmas gifts, decor, or holiday decor, or you just wanted to walk around the store and see what was new at the At Home. So I hope you have a great week and a great weekend if it's the weekend when you're watching this. And I'll see you in my next video, which will hopefully be soon because I went back to work. And boy, my time is so limited now. So anyway, if you happen to notice the wooden mushrooms at the end of this video, that was my favorite thing I saw. I absolutely loved those wooden mushrooms. They're so cute. I wished I had gotten them, but I didn't because, again, I just got rid of a bunch of stuff. But that's one of those things you get that you just keep forever and you absolutely love. So anyway, enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next one.